If you're dreaming of escaping to a tropical paradise, you're in the right place. Today, we're highlighting the top 10 tropical getaways where you can relax and unwind. Picture yourself soaking up the sun on white sandy beaches, swimming in crystal clear waters, and enjoying the gentle sway of palm trees. These destinations offer the perfect blend of sun, sea, and serenity, ideal for recharging your spirit. Whether you're looking for a quiet retreat or an adventurous escape, these tropical havens have something for everyone. Today, we'll talk about sun, sea, and serenity. Top 10 tropical getaways to relax and unwind. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. From hidden gems to iconic paradises, each location promises a unique and unforgettable experience. Stay with us as we uncover these dream destinations that will make your next vacation extraordinary. Number 10. Santorini, Greece. Santorini may not be a typical tropical destination, but its stunning beaches, clear waters, and unique volcanic landscape make it a must-visit. The island's iconic whitewashed buildings with blue domes set against the backdrop of the Aegean Sea create a picture-perfect setting. Relax on the unique black sand beaches, explore charming villages like Oia and Fira, and indulge in delicious Greek cuisine. The breathtaking sunsets in Santorini are legendary and offer a romantic experience that's hard to match. Number 9. Seychelles. The Seychelles, an archipelago in the Indian Ocean, is renowned for its pristine beaches, clear blue waters, and lush vegetation. This paradise is perfect for those looking to escape the crowds and immerse themselves in nature. With 115 islands to explore, each offering unique beauty, Seychelles is a haven for snorkelers and divers. The islands are home to diverse marine life and coral reefs, making underwater exploration a must. Number 8. Bora Bora, French Polynesia. Bora Bora is the epitome of a tropical paradise. Known for its turquoise lagoon, lush greenery, and luxurious overwater bungalows, this island offers a dreamlike escape. The calm, shallow waters are perfect for snorkeling, and the coral reefs teem with colorful marine life. Enjoy a romantic dinner on the beach, explore the island's volcanic peaks, or simply unwind in your private villa. Bora Bora's natural beauty and tranquility make it a top destination for honeymooners and anyone seeking a luxurious getaway. Number 7. Maldives. The Maldives is synonymous with luxury and serenity. This chain of 26 atolls in the Indian Ocean offers some of the world's most stunning beaches and crystal clear waters. The overwater bungalows provide a unique experience, allowing you to step directly into the ocean from your room. The Maldives is a paradise for water sports enthusiasts, with options like diving, snorkeling, and surfing. The vibrant coral reefs are home to a diverse array of marine life, making every dive an adventure. For ultimate relaxation, indulge in a spa treatment while overlooking the azure waters. Number 6. Phuket, Thailand. Phuket, Thailand's largest island, offers a blend of stunning beaches, vibrant nightlife, and rich culture. Whether you're looking for a lively beach party or a quiet retreat, Phuket has something for everyone. Explore the island's beautiful temples, enjoy a traditional Thai massage, or savor the local cuisine at a beachside restaurant. The clear waters are perfect for diving and snorkeling, with plenty of colorful marine life to discover. Number 5. Fiji. Fiji's 333 islands offer a diverse range of experiences, from luxurious resorts to remote island adventures. The warm, welcoming locals add to the island's charm, making Fiji a friendly and inviting destination. The clear waters and vibrant coral reefs make it a haven for snorkeling and diving. Enjoy a traditional Fijian feast, explore the lush rainforests, or relax on the soft sandy beaches. For an unforgettable experience, visit the Yasawa Islands or the Mamanuca Islands, known for their stunning scenery and luxurious resorts. Number 4. Maui, Hawaii. Maui, known as the Valley Isle, offers a perfect blend of adventure and relaxation. The island's diverse landscapes include lush rainforests, volcanic craters, and beautiful beaches. Drive along the scenic Hana Highway, explore the Haleakala National Park, or relax on the golden sands of Kaanapali Beach. Maui is also a great destination for water activities like surfing, snorkeling, and whale watching. The island's laid-back atmosphere and stunning natural beauty make it a perfect getaway for families, couples, and solo travelers alike. Number 3. The Cook Islands. The Cook Islands, a group of 15 islands in the South Pacific, offer a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. The islands are known for their clear blue lagoons, white sandy beaches, and vibrant culture. Rarotonga, the largest island, offers a mix of adventure and relaxation, with activities like snorkeling, hiking, and cultural tours. Achuteki, with its stunning lagoon, is a paradise for those looking to unwind and soak up the sun. The friendly locals and laid-back vibe make the Cook Islands a welcoming and relaxing destination. Number 2. Street Lucia. Street Lucia is a Caribbean gem known for its stunning natural beauty and lush landscapes. The island's iconic pitons, twin volcanic peaks, rise dramatically from the sea, offering breathtaking views. Explore the island's rainforests, relax on the beautiful beaches, or soak in the mineral-rich waters of the Sulphur Springs. Street Lucia is also known for its luxury resorts and spas, making it a perfect destination for a romantic getaway or a relaxing retreat. Number 1. Bali, Indonesia. Bali, the island of the gods, is a tropical paradise known for its lush landscapes, vibrant culture, and stunning beaches. The island offers a mix of adventure and relaxation, with activities like surfing, hiking, and exploring ancient temples. Visit the cultural hub of Ubud, known for its art galleries, traditional dance performances, and lush rice terraces. The beaches of Kuta, Seminyak, and Nusa Dua offer a range of activities, from surfing to sunbathing. Bali's luxury resorts, yoga retreats, and wellness centers make it a perfect destination for relaxation and rejuvenation. These top 10 tropical getaways offer the perfect escape for relaxation and adventure. From the pristine beaches of the Maldives to the lush landscapes of Bali, each destination promises a unique and unforgettable experience. Whether you're looking for luxury, adventure, or a quiet retreat, these tropical paradises have something for everyone. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.